Hello everyone. This is a second video on numerical solution of Laplace's equation. Numerical solution of Laplace's equation by 5-point formula. In numerical solution of Laplace's equation, we discussed two methods, Jacobi's method and Gauss-Seidel method. The Jacobi's method formula is ui comma j is equal to 1 by 4 ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j plus ui comma j minus 1 plus ui j plus 1. This is standard 5-point formula. As we are discussing approximate methods, numerical methods, and the standard 5-point formula is n plus 1th iterative of ui comma j is equal to 1 by 4 of nth iterative of ui minus 1 comma j plus nth iterative of ui plus 1 comma j plus nth iterative of ui comma j plus 1 plus nth iterative of ui comma j minus 1. It gives the improved values of ui comma j at the interior mesh points, and these are initial values of u, and for initial values of u, say for example n equal to 0, we have next iterative, that is u1. For n equal to 1 we have u2, for n equal to 2 we have u3, for n equal to 4 we have u5, and so on, and we continue the process till we do not get any difference between the two iterations or between two approximations. This is Jacobi's method. Next is Gauss-Seidel method. Gauss-Seidel method is, in this method the iteration formula is n plus 1th iterative of ui comma j is equal to 1 by 4 of n plus 1th iterative of ui minus 1 comma j plus nth iterative of ui plus 1 comma j plus n plus 1 iterative of ui comma j plus 1 plus nth iterative of ui comma j minus 1. So it utilizes the latest iterative value available and scans the mesh points symmetrically from the left to the right along the successive rows. That means in u2 we can use u1, in u3 you can use u1 and u2 approximations, in u4 you can use the previous iterative values, that is u1, u2, u3. And one of the observations is that Gauss-Seidel iterative method is simple and can be adapted to computer applications, computer calculations. It convergence being slow, the working is somewhat lengthy. It can be shown that the Gauss-Seidel scheme converges as fast as Jacobi's scheme. Now one example, given the value of ux comma y on the boundary of the square in the figure, evaluate the function uxy satisfying the Laplace equation delta square is equal to u, that means dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0 at the pivotal points of this figure by Jacobi's method, by Gauss-Seidel method. So both the methods will give you the same results to some error, small error, and the diagram is this. Given diagram is this, and its boundary values are 1000, 500, 0, 0, 2000, 2000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 500, 0. And the interior mesh points are u1, u2, u3, u4, and these are the boundary temperatures at the different boundary points are given, and our job is to calculate the temperature at U1, the temperature at U2, temperature at U3, temperature at U4. And we can calculate U1, U2, U3, U4 by Jacobi's method. We can calculate U1, U2, U3, U4 by Gauss-Seidel method. Solution. So before we start the solution, we first calculate the initial approximations of U1, U2, U3, U4. So given the boundary values, we are able to calculate U1, U2, U3, U4. So first initial approximations, that means U1 naught, U2 naught, U3 naught, U4 naught. Okay, so U1 naught. So to calculate the initial approximations of U1, U2, U3, U4, let us assume that U4 equal to 0. If we assume U4 equal to 0, U1 equals, by diagonal 5-point formula, this plus this plus this plus this. Its diagonal points are 1000, U4, 2000 and 1000. So let us say U4 equal to 0. Assume that U4 equal to 0. By assuming U4 equal to 0, U1 naught is equal to 1 by 4 of 1000 plus 0 plus 2000 plus 1000 is this, is equal to 1000. This is by diagonal 5-point formula. Next, U2 naught. U2 naught, initial approximation. Now we know U1. We know U1. We have got U1. U1 is 1000. So knowing U1, U2 is equal to, so here we can use standard 5-point formula. That is U1 plus 500 plus 1000 plus U4. U4 is 0. U1 is 1000. So by all these values, U2 naught is equal to, that means U1 plus 500, U1 plus 500 plus 1000 plus U4. So U4 is 0. U1 is 1000. We substitute this in this. So 625. Next, U3 naught. U3 naught, we know U4. So its neighboring points are 2000, U4. We also know U1. We also know 500. This point. We know all these points. So we can calculate this by standard 5-point formula. So U3 naught is equal to 2000 plus U4 naught plus U1 naught plus 500 is this. So we substitute U1, that is 1000, and U4 is 0. So substituting all this, we have 875. Next, U4 naught. U4 naught is equal to, by standard 5-point formula, U4 can be calculated by standard 5-point formula. That is, its neighboring points are U3, 0, U2 and 0. So by these values we can calculate U4. So we can even calculate by diagonal 5-point formula also, because we know U1, we know all the diagonal points of U4, either by standard 5-point formula or by diagonal 5-point formula. So U4 is equal to 1 by 4 of this plus this plus this plus this is this. So U3, 1 by 4 of U3, that is U3, we have got U3 naught. Okay, so in this we can write U3 naught. So in this we can write U1 naught, right? U4 naught, U1 naught, initial approximations, U4 naught, U3 naught, U2 naught. So U3 naught is equal to, by standard 5-point formula, this 875, and U4 naught by standard 5-point formula, right? They're all the neighboring points, U3, U2, 0 and 0. U3 naught is 875 plus 0 plus U2 naught plus 0 is equal to 375. So once we know the initial approximations means we can apply Jacobi's method and calculate the temperatures at U1, U2, U3, U4. By Jacobi's method, U1 n plus 1 iterative of U1, n plus 1 iterative of U2, n plus 1 iterative of U3, n plus 1 iterative of U4. 1 by 4, U1 n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4 is this. So that is 2000 plus U2 n. U1 n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4 of this plus this U2 n plus 1000 plus U3 n. First U2 n plus 1 is equal to U2 n plus 1 is equal to U1 n plus 500 plus 1000 plus U4 n. Next U3 n plus 1 is equal to 1000 plus U4 n plus U1 n plus 500 U4 n plus 1 is equal to U3 n plus 0 plus U2 n plus 0. Okay, let us denote it by the set 1. So in this you go on putting n values, that's it, and nothing more. Just put n equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for n equal to 0 you have U1, U2, U3, U4. For n equal to 1 you have U1 2, U2 2, U3 2, U4 2. Second approximation, third approximation, fourth approximation, and so on. So for n equal to 0, we have first approximation, n equal to 0, U1 1, U2 1, U3 1, U4 1. For n equal to 1, in this we have U1 2, U2 2, U3 2, U4 2. That means second approximation of the solution. For n equal to 2, we have, for n equal to 2 in the system, we have U1 3, U2 3, U3 3, U4 3. So that means third approximation of the solution. Next, for n is equal to 3, in the system, in this 3 plus 1 is 4, U1 4, U2 4, U3 4, U4 4. That means fourth approximation of the solution. Next, putting n equal to 4 in the system, we have U1 5, U2 5, U3 5, U4 5, and substituting all the values in this and continuing in this way, we can get the values of U1, U2, U3, U4, approximate values of U1, U2, U3, U4, and we continue the iterations till we do not find any difference between two approximations. So this is Jacobi's method. So in this we next put n equal to 0. So putting n equal to 0. So putting n equal to 0 in this system. We have, so 2000 plus U2 naught plus 1000 plus U3 naught is equal to, and substituting for U2 naught, U3 naught, U2, these are all U1 naught, U2 naught, U3 naught, U4 naught. So all these values U1 naught, U2 naught, U3 naught, U4 naught. So we use these approximations, initial approximations in the next iterations in the Jacobi's method. So substituting U2 naught, U3 naught in this, we have 1125. Next, putting n equal to 0 in the second equation, we have this. Putting n equal to 0 in the third equation, we have this. Putting n equal to 0 in the fourth equation, we have this. And in the second equation, we have U1 naught plus 500 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus u4 naught, and substituting for u1 naught, u4 naught from the initial values, simplifying we have 719. Next u31, third equation, 1 by 4 of this 2000 plus u4 naught, substituting u4 naught and u1 naught in this, simplifying we have, so u4 naught is this 375, u3 naught is 875, u2 naught is 625, u1 naught is 1000. Okay, so taking these values in this u3 naught and u2 naught, simplifying 375. This is by putting n equal to 0. So putting n equal to 0 in this, putting n equal to 0 in this, we have first approximation of the solution. So these are first approximation of the solution. First approximation to u1, u2, u3. First approximation of u1 is 1125. Second approximation of u2 is 799. Third approximation of first approximation of u3 is 969. First approximation of u4, that is u4, is 375. So these are all first approximation of u1, u2, u3, u4. Next, putting n equal to 1 in this system, putting n equal to 1 in this. Okay, so you will get u12 equal to 1 by 4 of 2000, u21 plus 1000, u31. This is what I have written here. Okay, and next in the second equation, putting n equal to 1 in the second equation, we have u22 is equal to 1 by 4 u12, u11, putting n equal to 1, u11 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u41 is equal to, so in this we substitute u11, we carry this value to u22, so u1 substituting this, and u41 is 375, we substitute this here. Okay, so simplifying we have 750. And second approximation of u3, putting n equal to 1 in the third equation, that is in u3, in this we put n equal to 1, so we have u41 plus u11 plus 500 plus 2000. Okay, substituting for u41 is this, u11 is 1125. Okay, so this plus this plus this plus this is equal to 1000. Next, putting n equal to 1 in the last equation, we have u42 is equal to 1 by 4 u31 plus 0 plus u21 plus 0. Okay, so u31 is 969. Okay, so 969 plus 0 plus u21 is 719. So this plus 0 plus 799 plus 0 is 422. 9 plus 16